Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. In the second session, we have listening express 3. And today we are on page 52, right? Close up listening. But today I won't teach you the listening, I will teach you the vocabulary. So today we focus much on the vocabulary, and I hope all of you can understand all the words and can read all the words very well. In fact, today you study a lot of vocabulary with the definition in the first session. And the second session you will have more words, and I hope you enjoy all of the words. Okay, so now let's start with me. Okay, the first one, shape, shape, sunset, sunset, decide, decide, express, express, choose, choose, without, without, artistic, artistic. Okay, so now I hope all of you can read all the words well. Let's continue with our definition. Okay, definition, shape means to make something. Shape is a verb. Shape here is a verb. Shape, it can be a noun, but here in our lesson, shape here is a verb. Shape, verb, to make something have a certain form. Okay, when you make something have a certain form, we call shape. Okay. Sunset. Sunset means the time of the day when the sun goes away. When the sun goes away, so you see sunset. And most people, or maybe most people, love to see sunset, right? Because they think that when the sun sets, it is very beautiful. Okay, so now let's continue to the next one, everyone. Decide. Decide. Decide means to make a choice. When you decide something, means you make a choice to choose something, right? Okay, so decide. Express. Express means to show other people know how you think. Express means you want to show something, you show what you think, you show what you feel to other people. We call express. Okay. Choose. Choose, a little bit different from decide. Let's see the definition. To make a choice between a number of things. Okay, when you see a lot of markers on your table or a lot of pens on your table and a lot of colors, right? Like blue, red, green, yellow, black, white, like something like that. Okay, so you have to choose only one. So you have to choose, yeah. Choose one. Example, you choose the black marker or the black pen, right? So this one we could choose, meant to make a choice between a number of things, a lot of things, and you choose only one, or yeah, choose two, like that. Okay, number 6, without. Without, not including or not using. Not including into something, you say without. I explain all the words without a book. So I don't use a book to explain all the words, right? I just look at the whiteboard and explain all the words, right? Okay. Okay, now let's continue to number 7, artistic. Artistic, having the characteristics of an artist. Okay, having a characteristic of an artist. So you have the characteristic of an artist like drawing, painting, or making sculpture, like that. So you have the characteristic of the artist. This one we call artistic. Okay, so this is the end of our session, but before we finish our session, read all the words and definition with me again. Okay, now let's start. Shape, to make something have a certain form. Sunset, the time of day when the sun goes away. Decide to make a choice. Express to show other people know how you think. Choose to make a choice between a number of things without, not including, or not using. Artistic, having the characteristics of an artist. Okay, this is the end of our video and see you in the next video. Goodbye class.